How to add YouTube channel link to TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. In your Play Store, search TikTok and make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. After your TikTok is updated to the latest version, open the app, click on your profile located at bottom right, then click on Edit Profile at the top. Click on Edit Profile, which is besides Share Profile. Then, in Edit Profile, you will find a screen like this. Click on Links. After you click on Links, you'll find two options, Instagram and YouTube. Click on YouTube. Press on Add. And then select your Google account. Click on Continue at the bottom. After that, your YouTube channel has been linked. Go to your profile and as you can see, there's link of your YouTube channel. This is how to add YouTube channel link to TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.